politics is heating up on the name change. Tariq Anwar of the Congress has taken a dig at the government, saying everyone knows how India surrendered. He further alleged that the Prime Minister is worried about even taking China's name.
कि सरपरने से हमको लगता है जो गलवान की जो कहानी कही है, जो उनकी जो आप बीती है, वो तो सारे देश ने देखा है। सबको पता है कि किस तरह से हम लोगों ने सरेंडर किया और किस तरह से हमारे जवान मारे गए, शहीद हुए, और उसके बाद भी हम लोग चीन के खिलाफ, चीन का नाम लेने में हमारे प्रधानमंत्री एक तरह से घबरा रहे हैं। तो ये सारी जो घटना हुई है उससे देश भी अवगत है।
Arunil is joining us in the broadcast with more details. Arunil, the filmmakers have given their own reasons, but there's a lot of politics happening on the issue as well.
Well, certainly yes. Whether it is because of any political pressure or the reason being given by the filmmakers here is they are saying that they want to give a more 360-degree purview of the entire Galwan battle that took place, show more human side of it, more emotions to it, as well as the patriotic side towards it as well. We all know that how relations between India and China have developed since the Galwan clash, which happened in June 2020. Post that as well, until 2021, the relations were tense between India and China. But now the relations have grown further. It has become more close between India and China. Is it this also one of the reasons that only a month ahead of the crucial release of this film, the entire promotions of the film, that is Battle of Galwan, was being done in this name itself, and now only a month ahead, because April 17th is the release date, and now they have named it as Matrabhumi, and also basically given a title to it saying that a war should rest in peace. So basically saying that such kind of war should not happen, because there is a human cost to it as well. Many lives are lost. The opposition is attacking BJP, saying that everybody knows how India surrendered at that time, but we also need to consider that there were casualties from the Chinese side as well. It was an offensive that the Indian army had launched because China was making illegal inroads into Indian soil, basically in the Ladakh region. That is why it was an offensive that was being launched at that time. Despite that, the opposition is trying to make politics out of it. How the BJP is going to react, that will again be interesting to watch out for.
Absolutely. The war of words will only intensify because Tariq Anwar of the Congress, says that India surrendered. And he also went on to take a jibe at the Prime Minister, saying the Prime Minister does not want to even name China.
Well, certainly yes, Swati. Basically, the opposition seems to be mounting their attack on the BJP. Basically saying at that time as well, it was the Indian government that surrendered before the Chinese. They're not considering the fact that China had not even given their list of casualties as well. There were casualties that had taken place from both the sides. India had recognized its martyrs, but China failed to do that. They were insensitive or inhuman towards their soldiers as well, not recognizing any of their martyrs. Despite that as well, at such kind of a crucial juncture, the opposition seems to be has been using this as an opportunity to again attack the BJP government at the center. With respect to the name change that has happened only a month ahead of the release of the film, whether there is any political pressure that was mounted, whether any government pressure was mounted, and because of that the name change happened, that confirmation is still awaited from the filmmakers' side.
Absolutely. And amid the political reactions that are coming in, it looks like the politicians have also forgotten or are not willing to talk about the sacrifice of our soldiers, of our martyrs. We have a reaction coming in from Ravi Kishan on this. Arunil, stay on with us.
सलमान खान ने बैटल ऑफ गलवान को चेंज कर नाम रख दिया है मातृभूमि। कैसा आप देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि चाइना का ऑब्जेक्शन था, इसमें बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स।
नहीं, बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें, मातृभूमि और एक फैक्ट्स भी आएंगे, बहुत अच्छा। सलमान खान को मैं उनकी इस फिल्म के ब्लॉकबस्टर की अभी से बधाई देता हूं।
Arunil continues to be with us on the broadcast. Arunil, like I was saying, there'll be a lot of political reactions, but in this entire political war of words, have the netas forgotten about the sacrifice of our martyrs? That's a question that comes to mind when you see the political commentary.
Well, it also affects the morale of our soldiers as well, because this was a time when India tried to protect its own land. There was a kind of inroads that the Chinese troops were making. They were making illegal constructions on Indian soil, and that is why the offense was...
I'm interrupting you. We have Mr. Anurag Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party joining us on the broadcast. Anurag Bhadoria, फिल्म का नाम चेंज किया है और जो फिल्म मेकर्स हैं उनका कहना है कि जो ब्रॉडर पेट्रियोटिक कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, दे आर फोकसिंग ऑन दैट एंड दे वांट टू फोकस ऑन द ह्यूमन कॉस्ट ऑफ वॉर. फिर इस सब में सरेंडर वाली बात करने का क्या मतलब?
मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता भारतीय जनता पार्टी को इसमें क्या मिलता है. हर चीज में राजनीति करना, हर चीज का इशू बनाना. अब वो पिक्चर है, पिक्चर को पिक्चर में क्या है नहीं, अब वो भी बीजेपी डिसाइड करेगी कि किस पिक्चर का क्या नाम होगा, किस पिक्चर का क्या नाम नहीं होना चाहिए. कोई भी चीज आती है, पहले तो सरकारें होती थी, कभी आपने इश्यूज देखा था किस पिक्चर का क्या नाम होगा? इसका इशू कभी आपने सुना था क्या? अभी इशू क्यों होता है, क्यों उठता है? क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कोई काम नहीं है कि जनता एलपीजी नहीं मिल रही है, लोग लाइन में लगे हैं, सिलेंडर नहीं मिल रहा है, लोगों के घर में खाना कैसे बनेगा, लोग परेशान हैं, इनसिक्योरिटी फील हो रही है. इसके बारे में सरकार चर्चा करे, आश्वासन दे लोगों को, जैसा कि सरकार
पिक्चर पर पॉलिटिक्स का दौर हर किसी के राज में देखने को मिला. ऐसा नहीं कि पिक्चर पर पॉलिटिक्स कोई पहली बार हो रही है. Thank you very much, Mr. Bhadoria, for joining us on the broadcast. We have more breaking inputs coming in, so there's no interval in the Mathrubhumi showdown. More reactions coming to fore. Hanuman Beniwal says government already surrendered before China. Now Bollywood has also done the same thing.
चीन से डर रहा है हिंदुस्तान, क्योंकि चीन ने हिंदुस्तान की 62 का जो वार हुआ था उसमें हजारों एकड़ लाखों एकड़ जमीन पे कब्जा कर लिया था. वो आज तक इंडिया छुड़ा नहीं पाया. गलवान के अंदर इनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई गलवान अगर नाम आता तो चाइना ने कहीं न कहीं ये हिंदुस्तान को कहा होगा इस मूवी का नाम बदलो, और इस हिसाब से मूवी का नाम बदल दिया. हम तो सरेंडर कर रहे हैं सबके सामने, अमेरिका के सामने सरेंडर. तेल खरीदो 1 महीने के अंदर, नहीं तो ठीक नहीं हुआ रशिया से, ये नहीं होगा वो नहीं होगा. सरेंडर तो कर रहे हैं हम, कर क्या रहे हैं लंबे समय तक. और अब बताइए, आप अग्निवीर पे दे दिया सेना को, पूरा सेना ठेके पे चली गई, तो कैसे लड़ेंगे लोग अंदर? तो आने वाला समय बड़ा क्रिटिकल है.
बॉलीवुड ने भी सरेंडर कर दिया.
So a lot of political reactions coming in that adds on to the controversy surrounding the name change of this film. Arunil, thank you for getting us the details. A quick